Hello everyone. How are you today? Feeling good? Okay, welcome to the Talk With Me YouTube channel, the channel that is specially designed for complete beginners who want to learn English in the easiest and friendliest way. Haha, yes, you! I'm talking to you, the future English speaker. Here, we learn English slowly, clearly, and step by step, without stress, without fear, just fun and learning. Before we begin, let me ask you, did you see our past lessons? Our lessons on simple future, present continuous, past continuous, and many more? If not, go check them out later. They will help you a lot. Haha, don't run now, stay here first. All right, let's begin today's topic, something very useful and very interesting. Say it with me. Future continuous tense. One more time. Future continuous tense. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. What is the future continuous tense? Do you know? The future continuous tense is used to talk about an action that will be happening, going on, in progress, at a specific time in the future. Yes, future, you will be doing many great things. Haha. Examples. I will be studying. She will be traveling. They will be working. Remember this very important line. Future continuous equals will be plus verb plus ing. Because many beginners forget this, so we highlight it again. Future continuous will be plus verb plus ing. Super important. Read it, Anna.
Okay, will be plus verb plus ing.
Again, please repeat.
Will be plus verb plus ing. Correct?
Yes, good. Okay, now let's see. How do we form the future continuous tense? Here, we use a very simple formula. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. Examples, I will be sleeping at 11 p.m. You will be studying tomorrow. We will be working next week. Who will be eating in the next 5 minutes? Hey, Mark, will you be eating?
No way.
I saw you raising your hand.
No, teacher, it was Anthony.
Okay. Let's repeat the formula again because beginners need it clearly. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. Mark, repeat it.
Subject plus will be plus verb ing.
Good.
Now let's see, when do we use the future continuous tense? Let's learn this slowly, okay, students? First one, to talk about an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Anna, repeat it again.
An action that will be happening at a specific time in the future.
Well done, Anna. Okay, students, look at these examples. I will be watching TV at 9 p.m. tonight. They will be traveling tomorrow morning. Highlight this again. Specific time in the future plus will be plus verb ing. Anna, give me an example.
I will be eating after the class finishes.
Good, you got it. Okay.
Second one, to talk about a longer action happening in the future. Okay, look at these examples. She will be studying all evening. We will be working the whole day. Working all day? Oh no, poor us. It is easy, right? Third one, to show polite or formal plans. I will be meeting the manager tomorrow. We will be visiting your school next week. See, it's easy. Okay, now we see how do we use these sentence patterns to talk about our daily activities. I will be reading tonight. They will be cooking dinner at 7. She will be playing the piano later. He will be driving to the city tomorrow morning. What will you be doing tonight?
We will be studying English.
Really, Mark? That's awesome. Keep it up. Okay, students, let's take a look at the negative form of the future continuous. To say no, we use will not be plus verb ing, or won't be plus verb ing. Examples: I will not be sleeping early. She won't be coming tonight. They won't be working tomorrow. Repeat with me. Won't be plus verb ing. Again, won't be plus verb ing. Good. Okay. Let's see how we form the questions in future continuous. To ask a question, we move will to the front. Will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Examples: Will you be studying tomorrow? Will she be joining us? Will they be traveling next week? Will you be watching more videos from Talk With Me?
Yes, teacher. I'm really into watching the previous videos on our channel.
That's a great idea, Stephanie. Students, as beginners, you need to learn how shortened answers in the future continuous tense are formed, okay? Look at these. Yes, I will. No, I won't. Yes, she will. No, she won't. Yes, they will. No, they won't. Good. Okay, students, we are almost done for today. Students, you all did an amazing job today. I know that learning English can feel challenging sometimes, but don't worry. You are growing, you are learning, and every single step you take is bringing you closer to speaking confidently. Every video you watch, every sentence you try, it all counts. So please, don't give up. Don't compare yourself to others. You are on your own journey, and you are doing just fine. Stay with us here on Talk With Me, and I promise you'll be fluent before you even realize it. Until then, take care of yourselves, keep smiling, and see you soon.